把烤好的花椰菜和芦笋放入餐具里，色彩一下子就亮了起来。Charred cauliflower and asparagus land beautifully on the plate。青酱、红酱、坚果碎轻轻撒上，满满的素食力量，前进又好看。Finish with green pesto, red sauce, and crunchy nuts。烤箱的味道混上坚果香气，每一个角度都超级诱人。Vibrant, wholesome, and absolutely delicious。Hello， 大家好，我是小强。今天带来一道超简单、超前进，也超级好吃的碳烤素食沙拉。Today I'll show you how to turn simple veggies into a stunning salad。用最基本的蔬菜，做出最迷人的香味，爽脆、清新又有层次。花椰菜、芦笋、坚果碎、青酱、红酱、黄酱，前进。天然，没有复杂调味，每一样都是主角。把花椰菜切成一口大小，让它更容易吸附香味。Cut the cauliflower into small bite-sized pieces. This helps them cook evenly and hold more flavor. 将切好的花椰菜用开水煮1分钟，然后立刻冲冷水，保持爽脆与漂亮的颜色。Blanch the cauliflower for 1 minute. Then cool it down immediately to keep the perfect crunch. 用小火慢慢炭烤，让外层微焦，内里保持柔嫩，香气一层一层逼出来，越烤越香。Slow char over low heat until smoky on the outside and juicy on the inside. Simple but irresistible. 把烤好的花椰菜和芦笋混合，再淋上自制的酱油汁，轻轻拌一下。Mix the charred veggies and finish with homemade soy dressing。先在餐盘底部抹上一层黄酱，让香味从底部就开始堆叠。Spread a smooth layer of yellow sauce on the plate。放上花椰菜与芦笋。Place the veggies, top with green pesto, red sauce, and nut crumble. 然后依序淋上青酱、红酱，再撒上坚果碎。颜色漂亮，味道香浓，完全是素食里的高级感。Beautiful colors, rich aroma, pure vegetarian elegance。这道碳烤花椰菜芦笋真的超好吃，有烤香，有清爽，有层次，吃起来完全停不下来。This salad is smoky, fresh, and full of flavor, light yet unforgettable。一定要跟我一起试试这道素食沙拉，简单美味，而且特别上瘾。Try it at home and cook along with me. You're going to love it.